and Julie. Just take that rockin' darling. Just take a rockin' darling. Listen, remember Zion and the man called Ronald Dread, along with the one called Classic Birthday. Oh, yeah. The tree I never love, to do the right and the left. But the girls them say them love the rockin' darling. So rockin' darling, come out here at the party, rockin' darling. Bring it. But a lot of girls can't get no loving tonight. A lot of girls can't get no loving tonight, Lord. Cause Cocoa Ration, the liquor shop man from Clarina, say Cocoa Ration. So let me live the same whoa. Say yeah, la 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 la. And the story goes on like this. Coco, 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 Coco. She loves me now. Oh, she loves me now.
Come chat with me.